Hey guys, what's up? This is the Shiny Blue Mew. So today I'm going to be opening 3 Plasma Freeze packs. Oops. And Deoxys, Absol, and a Thundurus. So my sister will be opening one, so you pick one to open. Oh wait, I'll show you this text here. So my sister pulled the Latios EX, so yeah. So my sister's going to be opening the Thundurus one. Do not knock the camera off.
Sorry.
If you knock it off, you are seriously gonna... You're the one who's gonna edit the video.
What?
Yeah.
I'm not editing this.
Careful,
It's already like this when it's...
just put it in
Whatever.
front.
Okay.
Oh, whoa! What is that?
Oh,
It's
next.
a full art! It's a full art!
Vanilla, I told you.
It's a
Horsey,
full art! Oh my gosh! I got
Grimer,
some sleeves.
Yama, Slytherin,
Oh my
Jetsis.
gosh, I gotta get this.
Seriously, again? Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's just...
Like,
that's weird. Okay, get sis again. So,
Apparently.
So if anyone wants to get sis, please shoot me up, yeah? Next. Okay.
you just throw yourself.
I see something for some reason.
Yes.
No, it's nothing.
Yes.
It's a Glaceon.
You're such a spoiler.
Yeah, you know it's the rare. An Eevee reverse is cool. And a Glaceon.
Oh, I got that Eevee reverse too.
You gotta get this again. Okay. And my sister got the pack for crying out loud. Couldn't I have just opened it instead of her?
Yes, Thundurus.
You're so lucky. Swineless, Vanillish, Trico, Hoot. I don't think I'm gonna get a hollow anymore.
Eevee.
Whooper, Rattata, and a Seismitoad. Alright, we pulled the Gets this again. So if anyone wants this amazing looking full art, shoot me a PM.
I thought it was...
And I
freaking
pulled
Thundurus.
2 water energies.
Wow.
I wanted-
Energies?
Oh wait, this is not an energy. I'm so fail. This is a mint condition,
Fail.
fresh, minty, fresh Getsis. And 2 weird Glaceon and Seismitoad.
Yeah,
These are water energies. Alright, that's really amazing. Full art. And my sister pulled the Latios EX. So that was really cool. So see you
I'm
guys
not
later.